I like to sit out here on the back patio by my pool. So luckily I got this rocking chair patio set sent to me to make a video about. Yeah, it's pretty nice to sit out here on the back patio on these rocking chairs on a nice day like this. You get 2 rocking chairs in the set, and then you get a little side table to put stuff on. So it's a nice place to set your drinks or whatever. Then you can see what they look like. We'll bring one out here to the sun. So you can see it in the bright sun. It's got some nice wood grain on it. I think these are synthetic. It's a combination of wood and recycled materials. But you can see it's got a nice grain, and it even has a grain pattern. You can feel it on there. And then it has all the slats with the screws in them. Same thing on the back, so it's really comfortable when you sit in it. There's a little bit of play on these wood slats when you sit on them. And then it's got the nice rockers. The chairs are UV resistant and water resistant, so they'll hold up to the elements. You can see the wood grain. It's a poly wood with a stamped grain. You can see the reflection in the sun. Really makes the grain pop. You can just spray them down to clean them up too, so that's really nice. Get them all cleaned up really nice with a hose like this. And then you can just wipe them down. So it's really nice that they're water resistant, and you can clean them up really nice. Like I said, the slats have a little bit of play in it, so it feels comfortable on my back. And then when I sit in it, everything squishes down a little bit, so it feels really nice. I weigh 250 pounds and I'm 6'2". I can fit comfortably in these chairs, and I feel like they're pretty stable and they move really well. So they can handle, I think, 300 pounds, so I got plenty of room here to sit in it. So yeah, these chairs are great for sitting out here by the pool with, but they didn't put themselves together. Let me go ahead and show you how I put them together real quick. I got everything all laid out on the table. Get some heavy-duty hardware that comes with it, some really beefy screws. It also comes with 2 instruction manuals. You get one for the side table, and then you also get another instruction manual for the rocking chairs. Shows you all the different pieces that you need for the chair, everything that should come with it. It's got everything labeled, and it tells you what hardware you need for everything. So it's got really detailed instructions that shows you how to put it all together step by step. If you want to use your own Allen key, the size is 532, but it does come with an Allen key, so you don't have to have one. It has all the different parts labeled, so I got all the different pieces out here organized so that I can put them together. The assembly is pretty straightforward. You just put the pieces together like the instructions say, and you just get out the screws and the Allen keys and you tighten everything up. It does help to have an Allen key with a big handle on it. The rockers are really beefy and they have a nice angle to them. You can also see there's a metal slat underneath it for strength. You just use these big screws to hold it into place. For this next part, you just attach the rocker to the side frame. These screws are really long, so it'll take you a little bit of time to get them in here. Once you have these big screws in, it'll hold the rocker on really good. You can also use a 5/32 bit in your drill, and then that'll make it a little bit easier. Then you can just screw it in that way. See how tough it is to screw in? I'm going to have to adjust my torque on here to get a little more strength. You don't want to over tighten it, but you can get a lot of work done with that drill. So yeah, having a few extra tools can really help, because you're going to have to do this 4 times. You can see how much easier it is to put these long screws in with a drill. I set the torque to 7 on my drill. That seemed strong enough to get it nice and tight without over tightening it. And then I just went back in and tightened everything up by hand with the Allen keys. All right, that wasn't so bad. Now you just have to do it a couple more times. If you have to do it by hand, you might need to take a break, but if you got a drill, it'll go pretty quick. There we go. I got another one done. Yeah, this is starting to look pretty nice. Once you get all the sides done, you can move on to the back. You see the warnings in green at the top. It says, please do not over tighten. So you just want to be careful when you tighten these up. Make sure you don't do it too tight. If you use the drill, remember to finish it off with the Allen key so that you're not over tightening the bolts. One of the things I really like about these chairs is they have a lot of grooves, so you can just slide the wood into the grooves. And so not only is it held together really good by the screws, but it's easy to assemble too because you know where to put everything. Yeah, I really like the way it fits together like that. All right, here it is. We got it all done. Now we just got one more. Okay, and here's the second one. We're making some progress. Now we can start working on the seats for the rockers. We're going to take the F piece, and this is going to go on the back of the seat. You can see there's some indents for the screw heads. That'll go on the outside. That piece was pretty easy to assemble. We didn't have to do much there. You can see how it should look. Just has the 4 screws in the back. All the other screws were already in the slat, so we didn't have to worry about that. It's pretty nice that that part was already assembled. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and set this up on the floor to get everything organized. For the next step, we're going to attach the sides and the rockers to the seat. Now you need to get out the H pieces for the braces. You just need to put these in here to hold it all together. And then you can put the other side of the rocker on and screw it all together. Now you just go ahead and flip it over and then screw in the other side. And now we got a rocking chair, or at least a seat. We just need to add the armrests in the back. It's got the nice groove so you can fit it into place. It fits really snug. And then the right one, you guessed it, is labeled R, and that's for the right side. Same thing over here. I'm just going to fit it in really good. It's got the nice grooves and it just fits right in place. Now you get out the back of the chair, and it's got these big thick pieces of wood that fit into the grooves on the seat. You just fit it in there just like that. It's a real tight fit. And then you can get out the screws and screw everything together. Don't forget to put the screws in the armrests. There's 2 in the front, 1 on each side, and then there's 2 more in the back. All right, I got the second one put together, but I ran out of short screws, so I realized I made a mistake. I used the short screws on the base for the rockers. Here's the difference between the two so you don't make the same mistake I did. Make sure you put these longer screws in the rockers for the base, because this is the area that's going to take a lot of pressure, so you want to make sure you get the long screws in here. Once you're done, double check everything and make sure you didn't miss any screws. I missed one on the side. There you go. It looks pretty nice once you get all the screws in. All right, we're almost done. Now it's time to put the little side table together. It's got some metal bolts on the side that you screw the legs into. Comes with another little pack of screws and an Allen key. To assemble the side table, it's pretty straightforward. You start by screwing all the legs into the base, and then once you get the base put together, you flip it upside down, and then you screw the legs into the tabletop. And then you're all done screwing around. Time to take the side table over here to the rocking chair. Look at that. And then you can sit back and relax and say, Bob's your uncle. All right, there you go. That's how I put the patio chairs together. So yeah, if you're looking for some rocking patio chairs, these things really rock.